We are HubStack AI, a San Diego-based team of engineers, AI researchers, and deep tech specialists building LunaSynth, a fully autonomous AI-driven lunar recycling system. Our mission is to solve one of the most pressing challenges for long-term lunar habitation: how to convert multi-stream mission waste into usable, mission-ready resources without crew intervention or resupply from Earth. LunaSynth is a modular platform that integrates neural network-based waste classification, robotic sorting, chemical and plasma processing, and additive manufacturing. It handles plastics, metals, organics, textiles, and regolith simultaneously, producing filament, biofuel, construction blocks, and purified metal stock on the moon without human hands. We recycle up to 91% of plastics, 86% of metals, and over 80% of organics. Every subsystem is modular, hot-swappable, and monitored by our predictive digital twin, ensuring continuous uptime even during faults. Maintenance is autonomous. Energy is optimized. Outputs are digitally tagged and traced. Our Phase 2 plan includes subsystem prototyping, analog testing at NASA labs, and full-scale digital twin deployment. With support from SBIR, our LSII, and Next Step, we're ready to transition from ground demo to lunar mission. LunaSynth is more than a recycler. It's a foundation for circular manufacturing on the moon.